No hype, just truth.
What if you could build your own AI app in about 10 minutes? Without coding, without hiring a developer, and without getting buried in technical setup. That's exactly what AI App Alchemy claims to help you do. In this review, I'm going to show you what it is, who it's for, and what you get. I will also show you whether it's actually worth it. Plus, if you decide to pick it up through my link, I'm giving you 3 exclusive bonuses. These bonuses will help you launch, monetize, and improve your first AI app even faster. A lot of people want to get into AI right now, but most stop before they start because they assume building apps is only for coders. Maybe you've seen people launching AI tools and thought, I could never do that. That's the gap AI App Alchemy is trying to fill. Instead of teaching you complex software engineering, it uses a simple idea. If you know how to use copy and paste prompts, you can create a working AI app in your browser. You do not need any technical skills. So, if you're an affiliate marketer, content creator, or coach, this is aimed directly at you. So what exactly is AI App Alchemy? At its core, it's a beginner-friendly training product. It teaches you how to create your own simple AI app using a guided prompt framework. The main method inside is called the Vibe RC method. This is basically a structured way to prompt AI so you get a working result. Inside AI App Alchemy, you get video training and a worksheet to help you build your prompts. You also get ready-made copy and paste prompts to help you create your first app faster. One of the biggest selling points is that the apps you create aren't just for fun. You also get commercial rights. This means you can use the apps, offer them as bonuses, or even sell them. Here's the basic process. First, you go through the training, so you understand the simple framework. Second, you use the Vibe RC worksheet to structure your app. Third, you use the provided prompts to generate your app setup. Finally, you end up with a working app that you can use, share, or turn into an asset. Now let's talk pros and cons. On the positive side, the biggest strength is accessibility. This is clearly designed for beginners and is not intimidating. Another big plus is the low entry price, making it a low financial risk. I also like the commercial rights angle because it gives the training practical value. As for possible drawbacks, this is best for people who are realistic. This is a beginner-friendly shortcut into simple AI app creation, not advanced app mastery. Now, if you decide to pick up AI App Alchemy through my link, I'm including 3 exclusive bonuses. Bonus number 1 is the AI App Launch Checklist. This helps you take your app from just built to actually ready to publish. Bonus number 2 is the No-Code AI App Monetization Guide. This shows you practical ways to use your AI app as a lead magnet or affiliate bonus. Bonus number 3 is the AI App Builder Prompt Pack. This gives you plug-and-play prompts to brainstorm better ideas and write sales copy. I think AI App Alchemy is best for 3 types of people. Beginners who want to create their first AI app without coding. Marketers who want a new type of digital asset for lead generation. And affiliates who want to stand out by offering simple tools instead of basic PDFs. So, is AI App Alchemy worth it? If you want an easy, beginner-friendly way to create a simple AI app, yes. It looks like a solid entry-level offer. Make sure you use my link below this video so you can get my exclusive bonuses. Check the link in the description, grab AI App Alchemy, and claim your bonuses. If you found this review helpful, please like the video and subscribe. Let me know in the comments, what kind of AI app would you build first?